So how to connect your Insta360 to your mobile? This is my Android phone, and for iPhone, process will be same. First of all, you have to turn on your Bluetooth. I'm turning on my Bluetooth, and then you have to download Insta360 if you already have, and if you don't have, just search on Insta360, then open. And at the same time, I am turning on my Insta360. Press on agree, and you can see the all uh, and notification. I don't like notification. Go to apps and wait a couple of seconds to prepare the apps. Press on agree. Yes, have to connect nearby device. Allow, and it's find the device. This is the device. You have to press on this icon, and it's Bluetooth connecting. And then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on OK and press on connect. Allow, and then you can access your Insta360 video to your mobile. So this is how you can easily connect to mobile to Insta360. Hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.